Duh. Duh. Hello everyone and Happy New Year! Oh, that was fun and also terrifying. Yes, it's 2026 on the channel. You've got me for another year. Sorry to disappoint everyone. And I think at New Year's, we all like to do kind of a New Year's resolution. We're gonna change all this other like crap that we end up forgetting about a couple of weeks into New Year. And I was like, you know what? I don't fancy any of that. I'm kind of happy the way I am.
They love it. Really?
But what I did want to start the year off as is just like a relaxing, just like easy breezy. Cover girl! Just like eases into it. You know, I just want to be relaxed and like comforted and chilled. So I don't know whether this is going to have that effect or not, or whether it will, in fact, stress me out and start the year off terribly. But I bought this, and it's a little 3D sunflower model kit thing. Very Van Gogh. I'm channeling my inner artist. And it lights up apparently as well. So I thought we would build this together and see if it's any good. It has the potential, looking at it now, I don't know why I bought it for. I must have been drunk. But it has the potential to be fiddly. I'm not gonna lie. It might be one of them like fiddly dollhouse things and I've accidentally bought it by mistake. But hopefully it's not one of those. It's going to be relaxing and we're gonna have a very enjoyable time. So if this does end up being good, it's by a company called ROWOOD, not sponsored at all. It's an artistic 3D painting of golden sunflowers. Art is a kind of enjoyment and the most fascinating enjoyment of all. It's got soft ambient lighting. It's LED. It's DIY, it's ages 14 and over, so if you're under 14, piss off. And it's 266 pieces, which I don't think is too bad. Also, small parts, not suitable for children under 3 years old, because you'll swallow them and potentially die. Let's get into it. Oh, I know exactly what it is. It is one of them model things. I know it is. Oh, I'm gonna hate this.
Happy New Year.
I completely understand what it is, and I know for a fact I've made a mistake. Alright, well, you know what, we'll just try. This might be my New Year's resolution. An ant gets past his fear of little tiny models. It might just look more intimidating. Oh. Oh. Oh my. This is detailed. It's very detailed and also the parts are very small. I'll tell you what this is going to be like. Where's that other thing that I built? I know I kept it because it took us forever and I've nearly lost all my hair making it. I think it's going to be similar to this when we built this and I didn't particularly enjoy it that much. It was very fiddly but it also looks great. But this one I think is going to be made out of wood and this one was plastic. Is it the same company? I don't know. It feels like the same thing. Right, well, we are in for the long haul today, aren't we? I hope your 2026 is off to a better start than mine, apparently. I wouldn't care I bought this. I should have just done more research, shouldn't I? The thing is, if they all clip in together, I won't mind it too much. It's when it's all like glued and sticky dotted and stuff like that, that's when I can't stand it. We'll go for one step and see how we get on. So we will make a flower and I'm going to need C23. That one. C7, that one. Will they come out nice and easy? That's not too bad. Alright, and then this goes... I was terrified of this. I didn't need to be terrified. It's not too scary. But all the little wood pieces, they clip together kind of like a jigsaw puzzle. This isn't that bad. This isn't that bad, everyone. It's okay. I feel relaxed now. I feel okay. It might be a little bit intimidating, but it's not as scary as I thought it was going to be. That's fine. C8, which is one of them. That green thing means blank side. Ah, so it's got a little cute pattern on. Blank side facing towards us. This goes into here. It seems very secure, but that's fine. I think that'll get more secure. There's a little exclamation mark. What does that mean? Special attention in assembly. Sounds like school, doesn't it? Did anyone else call like school assembly? I don't know whether that's a UK thing or whether that's a worldwide thing, but you used to call it assembly where you'd have to sit in the hall and assemble, I suppose, and they would give you like the latest news about the school, and we'd also have to sing a hymn. I don't know whether they do that in school anymore. Right, you want it like that instead of the other way because you want one of them facing down. It's got 2 tiny little slits there. And then E5. E5 goes on here like this. Cute. And then 2 E3s. Oh, this is very detailed, isn't it? Oh, this is cute. I don't mind it at all. This is why you need to give things a chance sometimes. I jump to conclusions, don't I? I shouldn't. Turn around and shove you into these little holes here. One on each side. I am conscious that although these are well made and strong, I have the potential to break things, so I have to be careful. And then E4, and that's going across the back of here. Yeah, that's keeping everything very, very secure. And then 2 lots of E6. If you're wanting to know, by the way, all these, we've got little tiny numbers on them and letters, so you can tell which part they are. These are going onto here as well. Oh, I've snapped it. Do they give you spare parts? 'Cause I literally just snapped one. I told you I was heavy-handed. Did you compensate for heavy-handed people like me who break things? How many am I going to need to make? Well, how many flowers were on the picture? No, I don't think I'll be able to steal from another one. I was doing so well. Be careful, Ant. These are a little bit fragile. Alright, you won't be able to tell that much that a bit's broken off. Look, there's just that little bit at the end. It's very waffly, isn't it? It's like a little waffle design. We will all know that I've broke it, but a random person who hasn't seen this video won't have a clue, so that's good. We'll just keep it our secret. Right, that's all done. So I do have something that looks a little bit like the picture, apart from I'm missing one side. Now I need C18. There's a picture of a flower. What does that mean? Printed side. And then that's gonna go into there. I could cry. I could seriously cry. It's looking so cute. It's looking exactly like what I'm supposed to be making too. So proud of myself. I need to make another one of these. Oh, I need to make another one exactly the same. Okay, well, keep that to one side. I'm doing all them steps again. All right, that's fine. At least I know the mistake I made last time, so I hope I know not to make that same mistake again. I find if you use the very kind of base of your thumb rather than the tip, you can apply more of an even pressure. I think that's the mistake I made last time. Okay, and we have 2. I'm just really pissed off that I broke this one. I'm just going to double check to see if I can steal an E6 or whether they're going to need it for another one. I think I can pinch it, you know. I can't see it needing an E6 anywhere else. You know what, I'm going to be sneaky and I'm just going to pinch one of these off it. Don't tell anyone. It's just irritating. Imagine if I broke this one as well. Now look, I've got 2 cute little waffly flowers. Oh my god. Right, now what do I do with them? So I'll put them to one side. I don't need them anymore. This one looks confusing. I need to make 8 of them. D2 and D10. And that goes like that, yes? Do I need to make 12 of these? Just exactly the same as I did before. Well, these are little easy things to make, aren't they? And then it wants 8 D2 attached to D11. Oh, wait there, I've done it wrong. Oh no, I've done it right. I've done it right. I've done it right. I'm just psyching myself out. I thought everything was going too well that I've obviously done something wrong, but I haven't. Right, that's all them done. Back's hurting a tiny bit, but that's fine. Right, I need C8. These are D and they're C. It wants 4 Ds. Oh, cute. And then 6 of these ones. Oh, these are crazy. These are so detailed. I know I say it about every little kind of model kit that I ever do on the channel, but like it just blows my mind. I assume these have to be made on like a computer or something, don't they? I don't think someone is capable of like thinking of something like this, are they? Unless they are, and I'm just really dumb and not creative at all. But it feels very computery. Because the amount of maths to make something like this is insane. It'll all be done on like CAD, won't it? But that's fine, I still like it. I assume someone will have had to have invented it. Right, now we need a D8. And then that's going to... This feels like a very fiddly step. And I'm terrified that I'm going to break it. I can see where it wants it, but like, that can't be right. You want that clipping into there, do you? Are you sure? I don't want to force it in. Alright, well here we go. I don't feel like that fits. I've broke it. I haven't fully broke it, but I have snapped it a bit. That's fine. I knew that was going to end up happening. That was really hard to get in. That felt like it should have been easier. Okay, I understood what I wanted. It's just, you can't tell. It's fine. It's stressing us out. And then wants us to do exactly the same thing again and make another one. Right, this is the moment that I don't like. See if I can do it without breaking it this time. Nope. Did it perfectly without breaking it. Yeah. Look at these two I've made. Look at them. Aren't these lovely? Look at all that detail. Are you shocked that I'm not having a mental breakdown making this? I'm very shocked I'm not having a mental breakdown making this. I do feel like I'm having to concentrate a lot and it's hurting my brain and hurting my body. It is enjoyable though. I'm not hating it, which is shocking. Usually at this point I would hate something like this, but I'm actually enjoying it. I was going to say a little bit, I'm enjoying it quite a lot actually. It does hurt your fingers though. My fingers might just be a little bit delicate, I don't know. Right, I think we're making the stalks now. We'll put them to one side. Oh my god, I'm halfway down this page. I am nearly 45 minutes in mine, so it is taking a long time, but that's fine. Right, I need C5. Where is C5? A C15 and two C22s. I feel like I'm going to be seeing these numbers and letters in my dream tonight. Or my nightmare, depending on which way you look at it. B22, where is it? Oh, here. One in there, and then it's gonna get shoved into there. No, wait, it doesn't want that. Get off, get off, get off. It wants a C25. It just looks very similar. That's gonna go up like that and get sandwiched between a C15. That can't be right, because it doesn't go all the way through. Oh, it's because it's that way, man. I was looking at it backwards. Duh. Duh. It's so simple. Honestly, with these things and with like little models and stuff, I can make the like simplest mistake. I can see a picture and in my mind, when I've got it in my hand, it's not what it is on paper. I don't know. It's almost like I make it up and I don't mean to. Just my brain sees something different. Right, C21, one of you, and you're going up through this. I wish they would make the pictures bigger. It wants C13. I bet everyone's sick of me talking about C13 and D10 and 5-4 and blah blah blah. Alright, so we're here, we're queer, and I'm gonna make a flower. Oh, look at that, it's got like a bit of movement. It's got full movement. Look at that. Oh my god. And then it wants an E that we made earlier, and you're gonna get shoved through like so. I am terrified because if this goes wrong, I have knackered everything. How far deep does it go? It goes very deep. Oh my gosh. And then an F2. I think it goes even deeper, you know. Oh my god, it goes so deep.
You dirty slut.
And an F2. I get scared of like pushing it too deep because I think it's gonna break, but it's very forgiving on some parts. That sounded, ooh, sounded a little bit dirty, didn't it? I didn't mean to.
Oh my god, she's amazing.
Right, and then an F2, and that's gonna clip onto there like that, yeah? Okay. Oh my gosh, yes. I can't believe I'm doing this, you know. It's so intricate and fiddly and pissy, it's unreal, and I'm doing it. Right, it wants an F7. The thing is, when you actually start doing it... Oh, I've broke it. No. I'm gonna try and just fix it a little bit. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Oh, I think I've managed to get away with that. I really broke it, but it's just in place. I was just about to say as well, as soon as you start doing it, everything starts to make sense and gets easier. And then I go and snap one. I just wish they made the like little stalky bits that poke into things a little bit thicker, just for the people with large thumbs like me, who tends to like to smash things. Tell you what I could do with, you know, like a little overhead lamp and like a magnifying glass. That's what I could do with. And people do actually use them, you know, in little model making things. And I can understand why, because it would be a massive help. Everything's so bloody small. Look at that. Look at it. And it fully moves as well, you know. How crazy is that I've made that? I've built that from scratch. Can you believe it?
No.
Right, I just need to do it a second time and then we'll have that flower as well. Okay. And just like that, I've got two of them. How crazy are these? I absolutely love them. I did break a lot on the second one, but I've managed to kind of wedge it in and just, I don't know, hide it a little bit. But aren't they lovely? This model's going to be amazing once it's done. It is taking us absolutely ages, like. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop on some TV shows so I can entertain myself whilst I'm doing this. I have started watching this thing about like a virus or something that turns people into like this thing. Don't really fully understand what it is. I've only watched one episode so far, but I'm enjoying it. So I'll see where that goes whilst I make a gorgeous little wooden flower thing. And hopefully I don't break anything else and it looks really good once I'm finally done after many hours. So after many hours, did I successfully complete this little wooden sculpture thing? And the answer to that is Yes, I did. Oh my god, and completed it. How good am I getting? Can't believe it. Look at this. This was fiddly as shit, by the way. Oh my god, it was so ridiculously fiddly. How cool is that? I'm gonna turn the lights out. Hang on. Oh, it might be a bit too dark now. And not only did I make that, I've also got a cute little canvas to go with it. Oh my god, just call me Van Gogh. Now, the hardest part of this entire thing definitely had to be the flowers. The flowers were the fiddliest thing ever. And then also, I did smash a few things because I'm very heavy-handed. I smashed this ornate bit here, so I've had to hot glue that together. And then also, I hated this paper part. That was a very fiddly part as well. Took us a long time to figure that bit out. But other than that, I think that's pretty decent. I tell you what this kind of reminds me of. When I did like a little cupboard sculpture thing many moons ago, and it was like this little light up magic cupboard thing. It's definitely given that vibe, but I have a feeling I didn't finish the cupboard. I think I gave up, or I half-assed it or something like that. This one was not half-assed. I fully committed to this. I'll even show you the back. Like, look at that. It is fully, like, well made. It's all proper put together. And some of the flowers moved too. I don't want to move them too much because when I was trying to get this frame part on, that one kept falling off. But if this little sculpture is gonna resemble how 2026 is gonna go, then I think we're all in for a very good one, aren't we? I hope so. I really hope so. I hope everyone's gonna have a fantastic new year. I've started mine off great. I've actually made something that I would never, ever make. Years ago, I'd have thrown this against the wall. Yeah, I'm a proper changed person, and I can't believe it sometimes. Sometimes old aunt will sneak in, but still, I feel like I've come on leaps and bounds. Take me over 10 minutes to get this, and it doesn't even look like a bush. I've got more stuck on my hand anyway. But anyway, hopefully you have enjoyed this little journey into making tiny little wooden sunflower models. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And again, Happy New Year. I hope everyone is going to have a fantastic one. I hope everything goes well, it's peaceful, it's chilled, not too stressful, and you all just have like a nice time, whatever it is you're doing. Let us know down in the comments if you've got anything fancy planned or any like big changes, a new job coming up, anything like that. I think the obviously biggest change for me will be my new house when I eventually get into that. I've actually got the bathroom people coming tomorrow to deliver my new bathroom, so I have to be up at like 5 o'clock in the morning. Which I'm really not happy about. I'm not happy about that at all. I don't think 5 o'clock in the morning should exist, quite frankly. So I'm gonna have to go away and get an early night, aren't I? But I'll see you next week for a brand new video. Hey, proper chuffed at that, you know. This was really advanced. Also as well, I'm pretty sure on this, it said that the difficulty level was 2 or something. This was a level 2 out of 5. I don't know whether I believe that. I think I would give it a solid 3. It was fiddly and it really hurt my fingertips. 2 out of 5? Don't think so. What an insult. Definitely 3 out of 5.